Welcome to a straight to the point video tutorial by the Crimson Stitchery. This video demonstrates how to tie a slip knot. You can find this video on my Casting On playlist. Demonstration. There are lots of different types of cast on methods, and most of them start with a slip knot. So we've got the main length of our yarn that's attached to the ball on the left, and I've got the end of the yarn coming over to my right. So I'm starting off by pinching the yarn at the place where I'm going to be working my slip knot. So where my finger is literally pinching it, that's going to be the top of the knot. And then I will hold both lengths of yarn in my right hand just to tension it. And all I'm doing is I'm twisting that pinch across. Then, using my forefinger, I'm reaching through that loop and I'm grabbing the end of the yarn and pulling it through, like so. So I'll demonstrate that one more time. That's our slip knot. So if I then pull the end of the yarn, the knot will come undone, like so. So, got the end of the yarn on my right, the length attached to the ball on my left. Going in the middle, twisting it across, pinching and pulling it through. And I'm just gently tugging on either end of the yarn in order to secure it as I do that. And then in order to make the slip knot smaller, I'm pulling the end of my yarn. You can see that makes it smaller. And I'll just tug on the other side of the knot in order to make it bigger. And I'll just demonstrate pulling the end of yarn to make it smaller. And that's it. And then we take our knitting needle and put the slip knot on the knitting needle, and again tug that end of yarn in order to make it come snug on the needle. We don't want to pull it too tight or it will kind of choke the needle, which is going to make it difficult to knit with in the future. But we don't want it too loose either, because if it's too loose, so if I just pull out the knot to open it up, if it's too loose like that, it's just going to slip off way too easily, but that's fine. We can just put it back on the needle and just gently tug it closed, like so. If you found this video helpful, then do click the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. If you're a beginner knitter or you just need a little bit of a refresher, then do check out my longer how to knit video, because it's a complete video tutorial that goes through how to tie a slip knot, cast on, knit, purl and cast off in much more detail. And I'll put a link to that in the video description down below, along with some of my most popular knitting video tutorials. This video has come to you courtesy of my lovely and wonderful channel supporters over on Patreon and PayPal. If you found this video helpful at all, then please do consider making a contribution to the running costs of maintaining this channel. Find links below. Thanks so much for watching, happy knitting, and see you in the next video. Bye!